Suspended high above a river or a bay, a suspension bridge can span distances once thought impossible. The secret to its incredible strength lies in its main cables, monumental anchors that hold the entire structure. But how are these immense cables, thicker than a person, actually built? It all begins not with a single cable, but with thousands of individual high-tensile steel wires. Each wire is thinner than a pencil, but incredibly strong. The true genius lies in the unseen assembly, the process of bringing all these separate strands together to create a single, unified cable. To create the main cable, engineers use a method called parallel wire construction. On site, a special spinning wheel carries a wire from one anchorage, across the bridge, and to the other side, spinning thousands of wires back and forth until the cable reaches its final required thickness. Each wire is stretched to a precise tension, ensuring it carries an equal load. Once the massive cable is spun and compressed, it must be protected from the elements. Workers carefully wrap the entire length of the cable with a protective steel wire and coat it with a sealant. This final sheathing prevents corrosion and ensures the cables can endure for over a century, a critical layer of unseen protection. From thousands of individual wires to a single, unified anchor, the assembly of a suspension bridge cable is a breathtaking example of unseen engineering. If you were fascinated by this process, hit that subscribe button to explore more engineering marvels. And tell us in the comments, what other incredible process do you want to see unraveled next?